Today I'm sharing with you my quick and easy recipe for Honduran tacos, so keep on watching. So I like to make my tacos whenever I have leftovers, and here I have some leftover chicken from Sam's that I'm going to shred and season some bits. And I know this is gonna look a little crazy, but the sour cream gives the chicken a little bit of flavor and also keeps the inside of the taco moist. So now we have some yellow corn tortillas, and we are going to wrap them with a paper towel and heat them up in the microwave for 30 seconds, and this will make it easy for us to roll our tacos. So here I'm adding a spoonful, I know I'm using a fork, don't mind me, and we're gonna form our taco and just wrap the tortilla like so, very tightly, and when done, place it open side down. And we're gonna continue until we run out of chicken or tortilla. And don't be afraid to get your fingers dirty. This is all a process and it's fun. So once done, we are going to place our tacos in some hot oil and fry them bottom side down for 2 minutes on each side until crispy and golden, like so. And once they're done, we are going to build our plates. We're going to place our tacos first, and on top of them we will top them with some shredded cabbage, some tomato sauce, which I shared the recipe in my last video, but I will also place it down in the description box, some Chimol, aka Pico de Gallo, some pink sauce, which I will also share the recipe in the description box, and we're gonna top it off with some shredded Honduran stinky cheese. And this is the final result. Hope you can recreate this dish and have a buen provecho. Enjoy!